In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Durable AE. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the login option that fits you best so you can get straight to building and managing your site without any confusion. First, open your web browser and go to the Durable website at durable.co. On the home page, look to the top right corner and click Log In. This takes you to the secure sign-in screen. Make sure you're on the official site and that your browser is up to date so everything loads smoothly and securely. On the sign-in page, you'll see two ways to log in. The first option is with your email and password. Type the email address you registered with, then enter your password carefully. Watch out for typos and check that caps lock isn't on. When you're ready, click Log in. If you ever forget your password, the page includes a recovery option, and using a password manager can help you fill this in accurately. The second option is to sign in with your Google account. Click Continue with Google, then select the Google account you use for Durable. If you're already signed into your browser, your accounts will appear in a list. Choose the right one, and you'll be redirected back automatically. If you keep multiple Google accounts, pick the same one you used when you first created your Durable account to avoid creating a separate profile by accident. After you sign in, whether by email and password or with Google, you'll land on the Durable AI dashboard. This is your home base. From here, you can create AI websites in just a few clicks, open an existing site to make edits, and manage your domains and settings. Think of the dashboard as the control center where you can switch between projects, publish updates, and adjust preferences as your business grows. If anything looks unfamiliar, remember that layouts can vary slightly depending on your device and screen size, but the login button is consistently found in the top navigation area on the home page, and the dashboard always appears right after a successful sign-in. Most sign-in issues come down to using a different email than the one you registered or selecting the wrong Google account, so a quick double check usually solves it. And that's it, login successful. For quicker access next time, consider bookmarking the site once you're on the dashboard. You're ready to dive in, create, edit, and manage everything from one place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Durable AI.